So everybody, we're gonna play a really quick game here called Guess How Much It Costs to Fill Up My Semi Truck. We're here in Bates City, Missouri at the Loves. I've got just over an eighth of a tank, and fuel is $5.33 a gallon. So take your guesses, because here we go. We're gonna fill her up. There it is, guys, just over $783 for about 150 gallons of fuel. That's a lot. Good thing I'm a company driver, because I don't have to pay that. I'll fill up probably not tomorrow, but the next day out. Every other day, that's about between $500 and $700. So that's quite a bit of fuel. But yeah, there you go. That's how much it costs to fill up a semi truck. Almost on E. Hey everybody, I'm back home. Real quick, I want to just kind of tell you what's coming up for the future videos. I got a van tour coming up in the next couple of days, and I also want to do a video on what I'm going to eat while I'm in the van. I've done all kinds of, I've done keto, I've done vegan, vegetarian, I've done carnivore. I know a lot of you guys are here from Joey from Plant-Based Dads. Shout out to Plant-Based Dads. But yeah, I think I'm going to do, gonna go back to like a vegetarian / vegan, because it's gonna be a lot easier than keeping like meat and all of that kind of stuff in the van with the refrigeration and all that stuff. So yeah, look for those, what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna kind of tell you my staples, what I'm gonna have on me at all times, and then I got a van tour coming up. That'll probably be the next one. So look forward to those. Subscribe if you want to know when they come out. As soon as I put them out, you can check them out.